Every story starts with a spark of curiosity. Today we embark on a journey to uncover hidden narratives and explore the unknown. Imagine opening a dusty archive, the anticipation building as you wonder what secrets lie within. This is not just about facts and figures, but about the thrill of discovery and the excitement of piecing together a puzzle. As we move forward, keep your mind open and your senses sharp. Each scene will reveal a new layer, drawing us deeper into the heart of the story. Let's set the stage for an adventure filled with intrigue and revelation. First visual clue emerges, inviting us to look closer. The image before us is more than just a picture, it's a window into a different time or place. Notice the subtle details, the lines, the shapes, the composition. Each element tells part of a larger story waiting for us to interpret and understand. As we examine this glimpse, let's consider what might have led to this moment and what could follow. The journey is just beginning, and every detail matters as we piece together the narrative. As we move forward, it's important to recognize that every image and document holds layers of meaning. Sometimes what's visible on the surface is only a fraction of the full story. Think about the context, who created this and why, what was happening in the world at that time. By asking these questions, we begin to peel back the layers, revealing insights that might otherwise remain hidden. This process of discovery is what makes our journey so rewarding. Sometimes a shift in perspective can change everything. By looking at familiar objects or documents from a different angle, we can uncover new information and gain a deeper understanding. This scene encourages us to challenge our assumptions and remain open to unexpected discoveries. As we continue, let's remember that every detail, no matter how small, could be the key to unlocking the next part of the story. As we gather more clues, patterns begin to emerge. Connecting the dots between different pieces of information allows us to form a clearer picture of the story. This process requires patience and attention to detail, as even the smallest connection can lead to a breakthrough. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned so far and consider how each piece fits into the larger narrative. Often, the most interesting details are the ones that are easy to overlook. In this scene, we focus on the subtle elements that might not stand out at first glance. By paying close attention, we can uncover hidden meanings and gain a richer understanding of the story. This careful observation is a crucial skill for any investigator or storyteller. With each new discovery, we add another piece to the puzzle. This scene is about synthesis, bringing together different elements to form a cohesive whole. It's a process that requires both creativity and logic as we balance intuition with evidence. As we continue, let's keep building on what we've learned, always searching for the next connection. Sometimes it's necessary to zoom in and examine the finer points. This scene invites us to take a closer look at the details, searching for clues that might have been missed. Whether it's a handwritten note, a unique symbol, or an unusual pattern, every detail has the potential to reveal something new. Let's sharpen our focus and see what we can uncover. As we dig deeper, secrets begin to emerge. This is the moment when hidden truths come to light, transforming our understanding of the story. It's a reminder that persistence pays off and that every effort brings us closer to the heart of the mystery. Let's celebrate these discoveries and use them to guide our next steps. Just when we think we've seen it all, a new clue appears. This scene is about the excitement of discovery and the thrill of the unexpected. Each new piece of information has the potential to change the direction of our investigation. Let's stay alert and ready to adapt as the story unfolds. With new evidence in hand, it's time to interpret what we found. This scene is about analysis, looking beyond the obvious to uncover deeper meanings. By considering context, intent, and impact, we can draw more accurate conclusions and move closer to solving the mystery. Let's approach this task with both curiosity and rigor. As we gather more information, patterns begin to emerge. These patterns can reveal connections that were previously hidden, helping us to see the bigger picture. This scene is about recognizing and understanding these patterns and using them to guide our investigation. Let's keep an open mind and look for the unexpected. Every investigation has its turning point, a moment when everything clicks into place. This scene marks a breakthrough as we connect the dots and uncover a key piece of the puzzle. It's a reminder that persistence and careful observation are essential to success. Let's celebrate this moment and use it as motivation to keep going. With new insights, we can begin to reconstruct the events that led to this moment. This scene is about storytelling, using evidence to build a coherent narrative. By piecing together the facts, we can create a timeline and understand the sequence of events. Let's use our findings to bring the story to life. Every story has a turning point, a moment when the direction changes and new possibilities emerge. This scene marks such a moment as we uncover information that shifts our perspective and opens up new avenues of investigation. Let's embrace this change and see where it leads. As we gather more pieces of the puzzle, the bigger picture begins to come into focus. This scene is about synthesis, bringing together different elements to form a complete narrative. By considering all the evidence, we can gain a deeper understanding of the story and its significance. Just when we think we've reached the end, a new discovery emerges. This scene is about the excitement of finding something unexpected and the thrill of the unknown. Each new clue has the potential to change our understanding and lead us in a new direction. With each new clue, we refine our analysis and adjust our approach. This scene is about critical thinking, evaluating evidence, questioning assumptions, and considering alternative explanations. By staying flexible and open-minded, we can adapt to new information and continue making progress. As we gather more information, we begin to build a narrative that connects all the pieces. This scene is about storytelling, using evidence to create a compelling and coherent account of what happened. By weaving together facts, patterns, and insights, we can bring the story to life. Every investigation has key moments, times when everything changes and new possibilities emerge. This scene marks such a moment as we uncover information that shifts our perspective and opens up new avenues of inquiry. Let's embrace this change and see where it leads. With new evidence in hand, it's time to take a closer look. This scene is about careful examination, looking beyond the surface to uncover deeper truths. By considering context, intent, and impact, we can draw more accurate conclusions and move closer to solving the mystery. As we analyze the evidence, we begin to draw conclusions about what happened and why. This scene is about critical thinking, evaluating evidence, questioning assumptions, and considering alternative explanations. By staying flexible and open-minded, we can adapt to new information and continue making progress. Sometimes, looking at a problem from a new angle can reveal solutions that were previously hidden. This scene is about creativity and innovation, finding new ways to approach challenges and uncovering insights that others might miss. Let's keep our minds open and be willing to try new approaches. As we continue our investigation, we uncover truths that were previously hidden. This scene is about revelation, bringing hidden information to light and transforming our understanding of the story. Each new discovery brings us closer to the heart of the mystery. Every new piece of information offers a fresh perspective on the story. This scene is about adaptability, being willing to change our approach and consider new possibilities as they arise. By staying flexible and open-minded, we can continue making progress and uncovering new insights. Every investigation reaches a critical juncture, a point where decisions must be made and paths chosen. This scene is about decision-making, using evidence and intuition to choose the best course of action. Let's weigh our options carefully and move forward with confidence. Just when we think we've reached a dead end, a new lead emerges. This scene is about perseverance, continuing to search for answers even when the path is unclear. Each new lead has the potential to change the direction of our investigation and bring us closer to the truth. With a new lead in hand, we follow the trail wherever it may lead. This scene is about persistence, continuing to search for answers even when the path is difficult. Each step brings us closer to the truth, and every clue is a valuable piece of the puzzle. Every story has its surprises, and this scene is no exception. A surprising twist changes everything, forcing us to reconsider our assumptions and adapt our approach. Let's embrace the unexpected and use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. With new information in hand, it's time to reevaluate the evidence. This scene is about reflection, taking a step back to consider what we've learned and how it fits into the larger narrative. By staying open to new possibilities, we can continue making progress and uncovering new insights. Sometimes, new information requires us to change direction. This scene is about adaptability, being willing to adjust our approach and consider new possibilities as they arise. By staying flexible and open-minded, we can continue making progress and uncovering new insights. With each new clue, it's important to take a closer look and examine the details. This scene is about careful observation, looking beyond the surface to uncover deeper truths. By considering context, intent, and impact, we can draw more accurate conclusions and move closer to solving the mystery. Every investigation has its breakthroughs, and this scene marks a significant one. A new discovery changes everything, bringing us closer to the truth and opening up new possibilities. Let's celebrate this moment and use it as motivation to keep going. With new insights, we can begin to reconstruct the story and understand how all the pieces fit together. This scene is about synthesis, bringing together different elements to form a complete narrative. By considering all the evidence, we can gain a deeper understanding of the story and its significance. Every puzzle has a final piece, and this scene marks the moment when everything comes together. With all the evidence in place, we can see the full picture and understand the story in its entirety. Let's take a moment to appreciate the journey and the discoveries we've made along the way. As we reach the end of our investigation, it's important to reflect on the journey we've taken. This scene is about appreciation, recognizing the effort, curiosity, and persistence that brought us to this point. Every step, every clue, and every discovery has contributed to our understanding of the story. Every investigation teaches us something new. This scene is about reflection, considering the lessons we've learned and how they can be applied to future challenges. By staying curious, persistent, and open-minded, we can continue to uncover new truths and solve new mysteries. Every ending is also a new beginning. As we conclude this investigation, we look forward to new adventures and new discoveries. This scene is about optimism, embracing the unknown and being ready for whatever comes next. The journey never truly ends, and there are always new stories to uncover. As we look back on our journey, it's important to reflect on the discoveries we've made and the insights we've gained. This scene is about closure, bringing the story to a satisfying conclusion and recognizing the value of the journey itself. Every investigation leaves us wiser and more prepared for the next challenge. Every story has an impact, and this investigation is no exception. This scene is about legacy, considering how our discoveries will influence future investigations and inspire others to continue the search for truth. Let's take pride in what we've accomplished and look forward to new adventures. With one mystery solved, a new challenge awaits. This scene is about anticipation, looking forward to the next adventure and the new discoveries it will bring. Every investigation is an opportunity to learn, grow, and uncover new truths. Curiosity is the driving force behind every investigation. This scene is about embracing curiosity, asking questions, seeking answers, and never settling for the obvious. By staying curious, we can continue to uncover new truths and solve new mysteries. Discovery is a powerful force, capable of transforming our understanding and changing the world. This scene is about celebrating the power of discovery and the impact it can have on our lives. Every new insight brings us closer to the truth and opens up new possibilities. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. This scene is about possibility, recognizing that there is always more to discover and more to learn. By staying curious and open-minded, we can continue to uncover new truths and solve new mysteries. As we conclude this story, remember that the journey of discovery never truly ends. There are always new mysteries to solve and new adventures to embark upon. Let's carry the lessons we've learned with us and look forward to the next chapter. The world is full of stories, and it's up to us to uncover them.